Today we are going to be talking about greatest common factor, which is also known as the GCF. Greatest common factor is the greatest factor that two or more numbers have in common. So if we were going to find the greatest common factor of 36 and 27, the first thing we'd want to do is list out the factors for each of these numbers. So starting with 36, we can go ahead and start listing those. I like to use the rainbow strategy, which helps me make sure I get all of my factors. So I'm starting with 1. I know 1 times 36 gives me 36. Factor of 2, which would be 18 times 2 is 36. Then I have 3, which is 3 times 12. 4 times 9 gives me 36. I'm not able to multiply 5 by any number to get 36, but I can do 6 times 6. So here's my factors for 36. Now let's go down to 27 and do the same thing. Starting with number 1. I know 1 times 27 gives me 27. I cannot multiply 2 by any number to get to 27. So then I'm going to try 3. I know 3 times 9, and those are all the factors for 27. So then I go through and see which ones are common or the same. We have 3 and then 9. I want the greatest common factor, so the biggest number, which would be 9. So the greatest common factor of 36 and 27 is 9. Now you're also going to be taking this a step further in class and using the distributive property to help you with some addition. So 36 plus 27. The first step for this is to write each number as the product of the greatest common factor and another factor. So what this is saying is I'm pulling out my greatest common factor of 9. 9 times what number will get me to 36? And it's 4. And then I'm going to pull out the 9 again from the 27, so 9 times 3 gets me to 27. Using the distributive property, I'm going to take what's common in both of these, so 9 is going to go on the outside of my parentheses, and I'm going to have 4 plus 3. If I broke this out, 4 plus 3 is 7. 9 times 7 equals 63. So then I can figure out that 36 plus 27 equals 63. This was using the distributive property and greatest common factor. Thanks for tuning in.